Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're closing out the second week of November. So let's go. Let's start today with a little announcement. So I have launched my €1 bills on my Etsy shop. These are the bills. They are in limited quantity only. So I think there's only about 15 bundles. And yeah, so if you want some, go grab some. They come in a bundle of 10 pieces. And also I have launched my monthly mystery kits. I have published the first half of the year, so from January to June. You can buy in advance so you can be prepared, and I have published the listing with black and white photos, and not to spoil like the pattern and the colors and the actual challenges, so it's a very like a mysterious listing. But yeah, so go check them out if you want to. I will leave the links down below. But yes, today we'll start with the update for the week, and let's count the totals and we'll see how much we spent. So for groceries, we have $41.16. For beauty, we have $60.50. Home was $3. Buffer was $50. I had some unexpected spending that I took out of buffer. Gifts was $14. And then we have health left, $6.24 plus 45 plus 22. Health was $73.24. And then we have spending, which was $20.16. And dine out was $49.04. Really? Wait, let me count it again. 4 plus 8 plus 471. No, 56.0. Yeah, I was like, that seems too little. So 56.04. So in total for this week, we spent €318.10. So that's the total for this week. And let's update the balances for the big weekly budget. So we had the paycheck of $350 and the rollover was $130. So in total that was $480. Okay, so cash envelopes, let's see the totals and the rollovers. So groceries have 3 rollover, so that was 42. Spending was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rolled over, so that's 21. And dine out had so 10, 11, 12, 13 left over. So 13, and that's 57. Okay, so we will need to put in buffer. So let's see how much we have left over to put into buffer. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 is going into buffer today. And let's check how much we have in here now. Okay, there's a lot of bills. 5s, 10s. So buffer now has 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So 53, I would like to keep this at 100, but 50 is also a good amount. So we'll just leave this here. I'll have to exchange the ones to a larger bill. As you can see, our coin pouch is getting really full. It will be fun to restuff it at the end of the month. So let's see for cash envelopes how much we had. So 145, 335 here. So here the actual amounts was the same except for travel. We got 89 in there, and this one was the same. So 269 instead for short-term sinking funds. 66. I'm also sorry if the lighting keeps changing because the sun is hitting my back from the window, so you can see my shadow. But here in long-term sinking funds, the actual amounts were the same except for savings, because we rolled 6 and we moved the 4 left over into travel. So here it was 27, the actual amount. So let's see, we have 39 left to budget, and then the amount stayed the same, and that was 39, which means €0 left to budget, which means each euro of our income has a place to go. So that was the second week's budget. Let's move on to week 3, and week 3 will be from the 21st of November until the 27th of November. And here we have a paycheck number 3 of €550. That's what we're working with this week, and that's exciting. Let me put this away, we don't need this anymore. Okay, so for cash envelopes, we are budgeting 45 for groceries, 30 for spending, and 70 for dine out as usual. Nothing is budgeted for buffer, but if we have any left over, we will put it in there. So 145 in total for cash envelopes is budgeted. We have 405 left over. So for short-term sinking funds, we are budgeting 10 into clothing. Health is going to get 70 and beauty 70 as well. Travel 160, gifts nothing, rollover 30, and fun 10. So in total, that will be 350, which means we will have 55 left over to budget. And then long-term sinking funds, car and home each is going to get a 1. Emergency and savings also a 10. And savings, once again, everything we don't roll over in our roll the dice challenge is going into travel. And then pets, technology, weddings, and babies each is going to get a 1. And in total, that's €26 for long-term sinking funds. And that's 29 left over. And then savings and miscellaneous, everything is going to, Etsy isn't going to get anything. Charity is going to get 1. Tattoos and piercings, nothing. And then we have 30 for 30 is going to get 25. And subscriptions is going to get 3, I think. That should be 29 in total. Yes, indeed, 29 in total, which means €0 left to budget. This is the budget for week 3 of November. It's going to be a larger paycheck, which is always nice, and it's exciting to stuff it. So please come back tomorrow to see me stuff this money into our cash envelopes. Once again, I remind you to go grab your items on my Etsy shop while they're still there. I'm still have the cash envelopes with the glitter stickers. I have new binder colors available, and also new sticker colors available, and I may or may not leave a little discount code for you at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And yeah, in the celebration of Black Friday, so there might be or may not be, wink wink, a discount code for you guys, so make sure to stay at the end of the video. But yeah, I hope you have a nice day, nice evening, nice morning, wherever you are, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.